This is the end of River Lane. You can see the basketball hoop at the end. That is where an extension of Fisher Road would go. This existing street is about 20 feet wide, and the right-of-way that King City would use to make the road is 50 feet. So the width of the road would be about double the current width. This is where the road would enter the easement. Just after entering the easement, we've been told the road would start turning north, which is to the right. So it would need to be a gradual turn this way and then go approximately that direction. This is that open area. You can see all the new plantings. Thousands of plants have been planted. And there, through the trees, is the Tualatin River, very close. This is the other end of that open area. And there's the river. This is a view looking east. The road route would be going right to left. In front of this picture, you can see the old culvert where the earthen dam was. That was never a road. Here's another view of the road route. I'm trying to give you a sense of the depth of the ravine. It's very deep and it's wide. And here's a view of the north side of the easement.